Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to clear cookies and other site data automatically every time you close a website on Brave Browser Mobile. This simple setting helps protect your privacy and keeps your browsing clean. Let's get started. First, open the Brave browser on your mobile device. Next, tap the three dots located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, select Settings from the menu. Then scroll down and tap on Brave Shields and Privacy. Here, scroll down until you find the option Forget Me when I close this site. Finally, toggle this option on to enable automatic clearing of cookies and data every time you close a website. With this setting turned on, Brave will remove cookies and site data after each session, enhancing your privacy and preventing unwanted tracking. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more privacy tips and browser tricks. Stay safe and browse smart.